Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, cloth seat trim, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror, front reading lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.